LdM is traveling back in time. The Institute recently launched a free series of public lectures in partnership with CAMNES, the Center for Ancient Mediterranean and Near Eastern Studies. LdM's Department of Archaeology and Classical Studies is overseen by CAMNES, and the new program of talks mean it's not only LdM students who are benefiting from the center's expansive resources and scholars. Held in the Church of San Jacopo in Campo Corbellini at LdM's main campus, the talks are given by leading academics in the fields of the ancient Near East, the ancient Mediterranean, and religious studies. Coordinator of the individual events in the series is Professor Nicola Laneri, the director of the School of Religious Studies at CAMNES and supervisor of LdM's Department of Religious Studies. We spoke with him about the general scope of the conferences.
Okay, the idea behind the creation of the School of Religious Studies was to create a venue for people to interact with students on subjects like material culture and religious beliefs. My idea is that doesn't exist a religious beliefs without material culture. Things we are right now we are in this church, and so we need material culture to connect with the divine. And so the idea of these 4 seminars, at this beginning, I hope, of a series of seminars that will continue in the next semesters, is the idea to give the students an opportunity to learn about the relation between material culture and ancient and religious beliefs in ancient times.
I tried to give an overview about the Etruscan burial customs from the early Iron Age, from the 9th century BC to the Roman period of Etruria to the 2nd, 1st century BC. All the long history of 1,000 years of Etruscan history. Our knowledge over the Etruscans is mostly comes mostly from the graves, and because the graves of Etruscans were very well built, and therefore we can have a lot of objects that are very well preserved in the tombs, in comparison with the finds we have from sanctuary or from houses.